in a web page, and then they approve it, and then they send you a number for your drone. So you just put that number on your drone, and that's your
license plate.
Yeah, it's like your license. And it just so if you accidentally crash it somewhere and someone finds it, they can actually plug in that number, and it'll pull up your name, your address, your phone number, and everything like that, so they can return it to you.
Oh crap. This is like a roller coaster. Great people coming.
17 degrees of pitch.
You said 17 degrees in the pit?
Yep. Later we'll do 25, 24 going up, and for the most part 25 going down. Well, there's one spot that peaks at 28 degrees. I've had it up to 38 degrees.
That's steep.
Yeah.
Especially for a vehicle.
Yep.
It's very steep for a vehicle. Nice views though. Oh yeah. So do they have this event every year? This is our first time coming.
They actually, during the summertime, they have this event every month.
Oh, okay.
So Tina and I have been doing it for over a year.
Okay.
And they have it once a month. So it's normally like the last Sunday of every month.
Mm-hmm.
And with the exception of last month, we had to sit out because both of our toys were broken.
Yeah.
And
do you guys volunteer or do they pay you guys?
no, we volunteer.
Okay. That's good.
Yep. Yep. We bring our toys out and off-road, and we just get to share it with people. We don't have to pay to get into the park, so that would be the only expenses. Gas. Which ain't much. I live in Chesterfield, so.
Which ain't much. You're gonna put guys to come out here anyway, so.
Yep. We're only 44 minutes away.
Not too bad.
Nope.
How big is this park?
I'm not sure. I want to say it's 100 acres, but it might be just shy. So like this back portion from where we came up that hill, that used to be the end of it. They just bought this. This is 60 acres. They just added on to it. But it could be like 100 and it could be over 100.
That's a lot of land.
Yeah.
Is this considered like a state park?
I think technically yes. Yeah, like a state recreational recreational park.
get out here and get crazy.
Oh yeah. If I'm in my side by side, I'm one of those guys.
Oh, okay. Maybe able to tip back.
In the side by side?
Yeah.
Yeah. Tipped it, rolled it.
Damn.
Never done it to this though, and I don't want to.
No, not to that. Side by side is understandable sometimes.
Yeah. Well, it's side by side has a rated roll cage and a 4-point harness. So if you go over, you just grab a hold of your harness with your hands. You're not going anywhere.
Yeah.
Other than for a ride.
Yeah.
But that's it. The only reason we don't have it now is because I was hot dogging it last time we went up north, and like I said, something's clinking. But I'll get it figured out.
Get it back up running.
Yep. And I've been bringing it back out here. Apparently, one of our girls is out here in this mud pit somewhere.
Stuck.
I think broke.
I just saw a Jeep right there with the hatches on to the left.
Yeah. She should be down here.
Oh, crap.
Looks like she might have made it out. Must have got her unstuck. Yep.
Yeah.
A little tire rub.
I will not do this in a wheelchair at all. Even though people dared me to back in the day.
How do you like it so far?
It's cool.
Yeah. Yeah, it's not crazy. We're not trying to put somebody in that predicament.
Yeah.
Everything that...
Because it get out of hand, you know.
Oh, yeah.
When it get out of hand, it's so quick. It's instant, like, oh, shit.
Yeah. Yeah, we don't... everybody that drives here has driven before. They're experienced in off-roading. And they know when to push their luck and when not to push their luck. And so far, we've only ever had one incident. And it was with a side-by-side doing donuts. It rolled over on its side. That was it. So we came out and we flipped it back over and they continued. We've had stuff like this happen where they get stuck.
Yeah.
We just pull them out. It sounds like she's actually broke. She might have broken something trying to get out. Which isn't good for her.